with AGI Short Track. We're here today going over installation of our Field Data Manager in our Wireless Intelligent Soil Probe version 2, or WISP 2. We've unpackaged everything here for a complete system, so I kind of want to go over the components you'll receive and tools that you'll need for proper installation. First thing I want to talk about is this long gray fiberglass pole. This is for mounting our gray antenna to. That gray antenna there is for communications with our soil probes that are out in the field. You'll get a silver engineering stake, which you'll pound all the way into the ground and leave about a foot left out. And then our green mounting pole will slide into this silver pole, and this is what will hold the FDM upright out in the field. And then components that'll be being assembled to this green pole. You have your FDM control box, your anemometer, which gives you your wind speed and wind direction. You'll have a solar panel. You'll have your FDM weather station, FDM mounting or antenna mounting bracket, FDM hardware kit, which is going to be individually marked bags with each piece of hardware that you're going to need per component that you're mounting to the green pole. You get wiring harnesses. This white antenna here is for cellular transmission of data to our platform. And that's going to be the components that you have for the FDM. Now we're moving on to our Wireless Intelligent Soil Probe version 2, our WISP 2. Inside the package you'll get a node case, a battery case, your actual soil probe itself, a gray mounting pole, and a mounting stake, which will be pounded into the ground, and our gray pole will slide over top of this pole, which will hold the WISP 2 upright in the field. And then you'll also receive a marking flag, which will be used for out in the field, so you can see where your WISP 2 is at when your crops are grown. Next, we'll talk about tools that you'll need for proper installation. It'll come with a slide hammer. This is for more so of removing the soil probes. So you won't need this for installation, but we will show you how this is operated. Next, you'll need a 9/16 socket and ratchet, a 7/16 wrench, a 9/16 wrench, a pair of dikes, torpedo level, magnetic preferably if you're working by yourself. You'll need a small hammer for installing the soil probe out in the field, and you'll need a sledgehammer for installing the mounting post for your green pole out in the field also. And one thing I want to talk about when we're installing this mounting pole in the ground out in the field, we want to make sure that so that we don't burr the edges up and that green mounting post won't slide down in here, you have to have some sort of edge protection. Whether you have something like this laying around, or you use a 2x4 to put over it, or one possible option is if you pound it in the ground, you burr it all up, take a battery powered sawzall with you and just cut and make a new fresh opening so that the pole will slide down in there free of burrs.